Hello, everyone. Natural disasters are Earth's worst nightmares, unpredictable and uncontrollable forces that showcase the incredible power of nature. So find a quiet spot, settle in, and get ready for a thrilling journey of discovery. Let's get it on. Welcome to the real-life Twister 2, the sequel. Once again, Kansas proves you don't need Hollywood for heart-pounding action. With winds tearing through like a director on a deadline, this tornado gives an Oscar-worthy performance. No special effects required.
We took this home with apparently a woman that's severe, but very violent tornado as business got hit.
Mother Nature must have been in a competitive mood. She turned the sky into a batting cage and used their cars as targets. Guess who needs a new windshield? Who needs a sledgehammer when you've got a 7.0 earthquake to get the job done? Talk about an unexpected makeover from above. Maybe we should consider hiring Earth as our interior designer for the next renovation. Is it just me? Or does it look like Poseidon got carried away with the shower gel and decided to create his own version of a water park? When your GPS suggests taking the scenic route, but you didn't realize it meant navigating the waterways of Live Oak, Florida, guess it's time to trade in the car for a canoe. You know, they say mountains are timeless, but it seems this one decided to take a little shortcut. It's like the Earth just decided to rearrange its furniture without any notice. Guess it's time to call in the road crew for a major spring cleaning. When the ice decides it's time to take a dip, the lake doesn't just watch quietly. Wave goodbye to winter with a splash. Ever wonder what it would be like if the ocean and the wind teamed up for a surprise beach cleanup? Well, here's your answer. This whirlwind performance might have stolen a few towels and chairs, but it sure added some unexpected excitement to the day. Talk about a neighborhood makeover. This tornado came in like it's auditioning for a home renovation show. Extreme Weather Makeover, Tornado Edition. Walls, roofs, and even trees, nothing is safe from this whirling architect.
Josie!
Who needs winter when you can have a full-blown hailstorm right in the middle of summer? It's almost like the weather couldn't decide between seasons and just went with both. Who needs demolition crews when you've got a flood this powerful? Looks like this bridge decided to go with the flow, literally. The flood took care of it in no time, showing us all who's really in charge here.
Да ладно! Ё-моё!
You head out for a calm day on the snowy slopes, and then Bam! A volcano erupts. It's like nature is saying, "Oh, you wanted a serene winter day? Here's some lava to spice things up." Who knew nature could throw such an epic tantrum? Rockfall party, anyone? And just like that, the mountain decided to change its look for spring. It's like a fashion statement. Out with the old, in with the new. Only instead of a new outfit, it's an entire slope of snow cascading down.
Räcker bara stöv ser det ut den här gången.
When a storm decides to make a grand entrance, it doesn't just bring the rain, it brings the entire ocean with it. Hurricane Hato seems to have taken making waves to a whole new level, turning the streets into a surprise splash zone. Ever seen a tornado that couldn't decide between being a waterspout or a dust devil? Well, here's one that said, why not both? And went on an epic land and sea adventure. Sicily's famous for its beaches, but who knew you could catch waves right in the middle of the city? Surf's up, Catania. Just make sure to steer clear of the traffic signs.